Hello and welcome back from break. Did you know that we have a free website dedicated to TCM Acupuncture Points? We've made it simple for you to look up a point whether you're a student learning TCM or a seasoned practitioner. Now, allow me to demonstrate. When you go to eLotus.org, click on the Core tab in the top right corner. Core, which stands for Collection of Real Essentials, is a free eLotus TCM Learning Resource Center packed with knowledge to help support your growing practice. We currently have 282 Master Dome points and 435 traditional TCM points, with the addition of abdominal acupuncture, scalp acupuncture, auricular acupuncture, and herbal medicine on the horizon. We designed this platform especially for healers like you so that you have all the support you need to offer the best tools to your patients and clients. Let me start by showing you the TCM Acupuncture section. When you hover your mouse over TCM Acupuncture, a mega menu will appear with links to the TCM Point Charts, all TCM points, specific channels by organ, extraordinary channels, and extra points. Let's continue with the TCM Point Charts. This page contains 7 separate charts depicting the most widely used points. Let's select the second group, which is Yuan Source, Lower Connection, Shi Clef, Front Mu, and Back Shu points. It will guide you to the chart, and if you click onto a specific point, you'll be taken to the points info. If you want to learn more about these group of points, you can do so by clicking on the button below. Now return to the mega menu to browse all points. If you like what you've seen so far, join our eLotus Gold Pass membership to gain access to hundreds of TCM courses. And don't forget to use Core during your e-learning sessions. Also, Gold Pass holders have access to VIP in-depth information on certain Core site pages. This handy filter option at the top is what makes this page a customer favorite. You can search by typing the point name or number, or hover your mouse over channel to select specific channels. Assume I'm only interested in the lung and kidney channels. I pick those two and voila! Only these 2 channels will be shown. The 5 Shu points are up next. What do you think will happen if I click on Jingwell? That's right. Only the Jingwell points of the lung and kidney channel will generate because I previously selected to view the lung and kidney channels only. To see all Jingwell points, I would unselect lung and kidney from the channel filter. The same logic applies to the other filters: 5 elements, specific points, and body location. The body location filter will show points that are location specific. So if I select upper extremities, all points that are located on the arms will generate. Next is the contraindication filter, which allows you to identify points that are contraindicated during pregnancy, moxa, or needling. Lastly, if you want to go to a specific channel, there is a list on the right side of the screen where you can click on the channel you want and be taken there directly. Let's look at one of the acupuncture points and see what kind of details each one contains. We're going to look at spleen 6. You can either type spleen 6 into the search bar or open the mega menu and select the spleen channel. Details about the pathway, paired channel, indications, applications, and special points are all included for each channel. Let's go ahead and click on spleen 6. For each acupuncture point, you will see the point abbreviation, Chinese name, and the English translation. This is for those interested in learning what the pinyin and characters mean. There is also a picture of the point location, a description of the point location, indications, applications, technique, and remarks. There is also a section dedicated to balance method practitioners. The balance method developed by Dr. Richard Tung is a sequence of acupuncture systems based on the concept of balancing meridians to heal the body. The balance method is synonymous to instant clinical efficacy and is based on TCM meridian theory and arises from classical acupuncture. To learn more about Dr. Tung's balance method, head on over to our Continuing Ed tab to find his classes. Let's return to the mega menu where the extraordinary channels can be found. When you click on each one, it displays the points included with that channel, indications, applications, and its master and coupled points. We have compiled 74 points from all the English, Chinese, and Hu references to come up with this list of extra points. EX stands for extra, HN for head and neck, CA is chest and abdomen, B for back, UE is upper extremities, and LE is lower extremities. By looking at the point ID, you can figure out where the point is on the body. This concludes the tour of our TCM Points website. We hope you find the eLotus Core to be a valuable addition to your e-learning with our online CEU courses, and that it makes your clinic life a little easier. Please feel free to email me at info@elotus.org if you have any questions. Let's return to class now.